Today, I'll walk through how legal teams can manage requests that come into the legal department. Once a request comes in, you can see the name of the request and who it's assigned to. In this example, it's a document negotiation. Here, you have a quick description and summary, along with all the answers from the request form the end user completed. You can also review dependencies, which may include approvals, to-dos, or tandem workflows that need to be completed alongside this negotiation. If you're in legal, you can either download the document to Word and use our plugin, or open the document in-app to make edits directly. You can enter a prompt here, or even talk to the solution, and you also have access to a saved prompt library. I'll open Redlining and Edits, and first we'll run a full deviation analysis. I'll enter the prompt here and give it a moment to run. Behind the scenes, it's scanning this document, comparing it to your vendor MSA playbook, and generating a full deviation analysis. This makes it easy to identify fallback language you may or may not want to accept, pinpoint specific red lines that are needed, and review the recommendation. It will also note any provisions that are already in line with your standard, indicating when no edits are needed. We'll let that finish running. While that processes, I'll queue up the next prompt. We already have the overall risk assessment, which is a C, along with the priority red line list. Now we want to make edits to the document, and we're going to apply surgical red lines. Instead of simply ripping and replacing language from your clause library, it will draft minimal targeted language changes. If I scroll down, you can already see it starting to work through the document and make those edits. Great, now all of the edits are in place, but next we want to add comments to them. So going back to the prompt library, we have a comment prompt here that is extremely detailed. As always, the more detail, the better. The more guidelines the AI has, the better the output. That's why we typically recommend that users rely on these prompts. Here you can see the AI going through and adding comments written from your point of view. So the counterparty will never know that AI assisted with redlining this document. These comments aren't generated from a static library. The AI creates them fresh with every new change, analyzing the edit and comparing it to industry standards when possible. Once you're done, you can simply save this back as a new version. We'll mark this one as ready for counterparty review. If you prefer Word, you can easily download the document, open it there, and still have that same chat experience. For example, we can ask, "What's the total TCV?" This appears to be a 24-month subscription. It includes all the costs here and the total listed below. Also point out that the document lists $281,700, while the total here is different. So you can use the AI chat to identify issues or discrepancies as well. From here, you can easily email this file out directly from the system. That summarizes how you can use the in-app editor or Word editor to edit your documents. And that's how teams can manage document negotiation with LinkSquares.